Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce errors in crypto transactions with Bitstamp step by step clearly. To reduce errors in crypto transactions with Bitstamp, follow these steps. Begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Next, log in to your Bitstamp account. If you haven't already, complete the necessary verification process to ensure you can access all features. Before initiating a transaction, double-check the wallet address you are sending to. Always copy and paste the wallet address to avoid manual entry errors. Take a moment to verify that the address matches the intended recipient's account. Confirm the type of cryptocurrency you are sending. Make sure you understand the fee structure for the transaction. Calculate the total amount you wish to send, including fees. Once you are ready, go to the withdrawal section of your account. Input the recipient's wallet address carefully. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, double-checking for accuracy. Review all details of the transaction before proceeding. Ensure that your two-factor authentication is set up and functioning. If security settings require it, verify the transaction through your two-factor authentication method. Submit the transaction and wait for confirmation. Keep an eye on the transaction status in your account. If there are any concerns, reach out to Bitstamp support for assistance. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce errors in your crypto transactions with Bitstamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.